Today I'm vlogging. I don't know, I love vlogs. I love watching vlogs and I feel like I never put time into vlogging. I have the team here right now. I actually have Alex and Peter here. Peter's actually back there working on a video. Do you want to say hi, Peter? Does he even know you can hear me?
He's not, he can't hear you.
Oh, he can't hear me, okay. And then I have Alex like working on like other stuff right now. She's
What's up?
Alex is back here. Do you want to come out?
Sure. I don't know if they're ready for it. I don't know if they're ready for it.
We were working out like the schedule right now and just like other stuff. Posting some stuff today with something. We're just getting stuff done and I'm actually looking at a video that's going up today and I need to get notes back. What we usually do is, well, Alex will help us on the video and then Peter and Alex will like edit it and then I look at it and then I get notes back to see like if I want any changes. And we thought it would be a fun little challenge to do if we tested out back to school hair hacks, because I have seen so many of these videos and if I'm being honest, they look so cool that I want to try them out. We might actually find some really cool hacks today. Oh my god, Ro, thank you so much.
I made you breakfast.
It's really good.
It's really good? Goals.
Thank you. It's amazing.
Goals.
Thank you, Ro.
You're welcome.
The video is finally up, so we got that up right now. Got the picture up on Instagram, so the picture's up on Instagram now. And now we have that done. Oh my gosh, that is, you guys, it's literally like 5 p.m. We literally met at what, like
10 o'clock in the morning.
at 10 o'clock, you guys. Like, we have some long days. We're working on Slime Mania stuff right now because Slime Mania, as of today, like it's literally days away. So I've been messaging everybody and Alice was working out the floor plan right now with the slimers. Like, it is a lot that we're doing. Peter is literally editing as we speak. He's editing a video. I'm on the Slime Mania page now. Follow us because we're also coming to Dallas and Cleveland after this. By the time you're watching this, we already did Atlanta. Now we're gonna upload the onstage hosts, which are the MCs, which is Peter and Myra. So we're gonna announce that right now. This is such a cute picture of you guys.
Behind the scenes, what are you guys doing?
Slime Mania.
We're actually setting up like who's gonna go where for Slime Mania.
Okay, the vendor.
Like the vendors, yeah.
And I feel like doing the VIS first is probably gonna be better. Should we separate them like vendors and VIS or just list it 1 through 35?
1 through 35.
Okay, cool.
Port City Slime could be 5.
Or is it with an S?
And then we're going into VIS, right?
Yes, then we're going into
so
VIS.
VIS 10 and 11 is gonna be, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10.
Plus 2 more VIS on this round.
Let's put the Navalua one there.
That.
They're gonna have like a booth. Wait, did they not?
Are they counted?
I don't know. You
all of
pause for
this?
now. Alright, so we're looking at some crazy hairstyles. Not crazy, it's just like weird life hacks that are for back to school. We're gonna do some hairstyles on each other, some hacks. I feel like a lot of these are not really weird, it's just using like weird objects. Basically just trying out some back to school hair hacks. Okay, so there was some really weird ones that I think are just not gonna really work and are just clickbait. And then there's some that I feel like with a lot of these, we actually might find some really cool hacks. We have a brush and
A chopstick.
a chopstick.
Just one chopstick, not both chopsticks. That is for that weird like hairstyle we saw.
Okay, so it's like a bow bun with a chopstick. So I actually, my hair right now, guys, like I put product in it this morning. I put hairspray in it, actually just hairspray because I didn't want to style it and it's kind of like stiff right now and a mess.
Tilt back for me, darling.
Okay, yeah guys, I have tape-ins right now, so they're totally gonna slip up. Like they are everywhere and they're growing out right now, so it's actually really hard to hide them right now. It's almost like impossible. So if you guys see them, I'm sorry. I need to get them reinstalled.
So you start with a ponytail.
Okay.
And I want to get this like relatively high on your head.
Okay.
Oh, that is such a cute little, like just off the bat.
Is it? Oh my god.
That's precious. It's stuff to stick like, and they didn't have like any instructions. So
Okay.
they just like stuck it underneath. Oh, I'm sorry if this hurts.
It does. I don't feel anything.
She's got a hard head, y'all. They stuck the stick like literally underneath the little thing
Behind
through.
the pony, right? Like behind the band.
Yeah, behind the band. They separated it in half and they stuck it behind the chopsticks.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you use another band. I'm actually gonna use a skinny band for a
Okay.
skinny queen. So a skinny band to join these two together. I'm gonna make it kind of tight. This is only gonna really work for somebody with a lot of hair, like long hair, because they did it twice. Split it in half again. Brush a little bit. Make sure it's nice and neat. Stick it around uno mas. Third band, let's do this tight. You do a tiny little braid. And then you go around the top
Okay.
and you just tuck this little guy in. They don't actually show a pin. I'm like, sister,
Yeah, you need to secure.
you gotta
it.
secure this. Grand reveal, let's see if this worked. Ta-da!
Did it work?
It's cute.
Really? Oh my god, can you take a picture of it?
It's a little messy, but
Oh wow, okay.
it's like not perfect.
So this
but
is what the picture looks like, and then this is how mine looks. But
I feel
wow.
like it needs some more pins.
Okay, so you put your hair up in a ponytail first. Does it have to be high enough, or
I think it does need to be relatively high.
Okay. Because you are gonna use your hair as bangs.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, Grandma's Rice Krispies by Slime City B is a bop. Oh.
I found it.
She's gonna be at Slime Mania too, guys, so come to Dallas, y'all. If you guys are in Texas or anywhere near Dallas, come through slimemaniaexpo.com.
Okay, so we're gonna flip it over, even up
Oh
some of these hairs.
my god. And actually, the hack does not say to do this. It just kind of says to just put it to the front, and it's like, oh, like 5 seconds, but
Gets a little interesting.
okay, I feel like that maybe when you're going with like the straightener, it'll help.
Yeah. Okay, I think that works a little bit better.
We have bangs. I know, bro. He's looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? This is not the final look, dude.
She wants bangs! This hair that was left over, and they go around.
I look crazy. Are you seeing this? You guys, I don't know if I like these bangs on me.
I would fix them. They're not perfect.
They're a little rough. Maybe because I had hairspray in my hair. I feel like I could pull it off. Like people would think it's my bangs. They would just be like, "Ooh, girl, fix your bangs."
It
You
looks
know?
a little bit like a wig.
Can we try this on your hair to see how it looks on you?
Sure, okay.
I feel like bangs look really cute on people. I just don't think it look cute on me.
Hi, pony. Oh, this is new.
Okay.
It's like
Yeah, and then
hair.
once you like do the straightener, it might like help it a lot.
I look like Andy Warhol. And then this
I
guy.
feel like they're gonna look really cute on you. Okay, so now we would wrap this around.
Yeah.
All right, so.
Help me, Mom. I'm just gonna do.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna do this because I don't have as much hair on my head as you do. Maybe a little messy bun action. I look like Pebbles.
Oh my
From
god,
the
you do look like
Flintstones.
Pebbles. You do.
So this is the issue though, because my balayage is almost all the way out. It's like
I feel like
it's
it's
like
specific
dark
hair color or everything for this.
It's dark hair and then pink purple. I think this is kind of like a fail for both of us.
I feel like yours looks good. Like if you took a selfie, it would look legit.
Only from this angle.
And then
as soon as they see,
Oh.
I can't stand hair in my eyes. I can't stand it. I'm like,
I think it's so cute. I think I really like them.
don't turn this side. Front only.
Okay, we're gonna try
Curly
some curly
hacks.
hacks.
You guys don't even know who Pebbles is because you've never seen the Flintstones, but you were all born after 2000. We're bringing back the chopstick. Oh gosh. Use a thin amount. And I always like the curls to go away from the face.
So you twist it around.
Yeah, you twist it around.
So this is like a hack,
chopstick.
right?
This is, yeah, it's like a curling hack. And then you just kind of like, hold on. Let's see if it worked. Big reveal. Oh God. Oh!
Oh my god, that was actually
You guys see
really
that?
easy.
What was that?
Well.
And then just go.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
And then it also kind of twists it as you do it.
Okay.
We're just discovering more. This is hacks plus size. Oh!
Dead. Does it work? Yes, but also I feel like it might just take a bit more time. Ooh, the fork one, I'm iffy about.
You're iffy about it? I'm
'Cause, like-
curious. Because I'm rolling it up like spaghetti, except we're on keto.
Oh, is that how they do it?
Yeah, I think.
I have seen this hack. I've seen it. I just don't know if it works. I've seen it in thumbnails.
Oh!
My God.
It's not a perfect curl.
It's not.
It's
but
not.
What the heck? It's just crazy how they work though. Like I really just thought, and none of these would work.
Okay, that one, not so much.
I honestly though, like, it's crazy because I would expect the fork to work better than a chopstick, but the chopstick works pretty good. It looks so cute! Oh my god, Alex, you look so cute. We got this going on. I always see this crazy hack. Is it real? I think it is, but it's really misleading in the thumbnails. It's always like people putting straight up a glue gun to their head. Okay, so maybe it's like, wait, I need to angle this. Yes, perfect roll. Right there, this is exactly the shot I want right now. So if we get it on the band, it's no big deal.
Nah, because we can pull the band straight out.
Okay, is it recording now?
Yeah.
Ah, hold on, I went a little too much. It's not like on your hair, but hold on. Ro, can you bring a napkin real quick? Okay, so we got a tiny bit of glue.
Really good shot, Karina.
That could literally just be peeled off.
Yeah, I feel like we could just peel right out.
Yeah.
No,
I'm sorry.
I trust you.
The real hack is actually just putting it on a hair clip, right?
Yeah.
It's really just for grip.
It's for grip because, like, okay.
And that is the actual real one. But everybody does the hack with the glue on the hair because it's clickbait. Oh, okay.
Like, that doesn't grip.
Okay.
So annoying.
So they would put it like on both ends. Once this is dry, the real hack is...
Yeah, especially when I haven't got my hair cut recently. I've been doing a lot of half updos.
Okay. Do you feel the grip on
I
them?
do. I feel the grip immediately.
Oh my god, move your hair around.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. It's better.
Oh my
It's
god.
not perfect.
Like doing this, like tugging at it, it does feel more sturdy than without
Yeah.
the glue. So we decided that we're gonna play a game called What's in Each Other's Bags. This used to be an actual thing back in the day, like What's in My Bag challenge. We're gonna do a creative exercise right now.
Creative.
Nothing creative about it.
Fruit roll up.
I just ate a fruit roll up.
We're gonna do a little sharing.
Just a little fun thing we thought we would do. That's how we roll at the Creative Garcia Productions. Who wants to go first?
Nose goes.
I have two bags right now. I have, well, I mean, obviously, like, I live here, like.
Oh, duh.
But the bag I use every single day is this one. It is my Chanel. I love her. I have what looks like Invisalign in here. I also have icebreaker mitts.
Can I have this?
Yes. I also have my featured creator badge for VidCon. I have a TJ Maxx and Home Goods receipt. And I have lash glue. And then I have my wallet. And in my wallet I have just wallet stuff, like a bunch of like random receipts and, you know, wallet things. I have another receipt. I don't know where the heck. Oh my god, it's from New York. The
Oh,
Rockefeller Center. And then I have some hoop earrings. I didn't know I had these. Alright.
you always have to have a pair of backup hoops in your purse.
I have a Viacom thing like to go in, the little badges they give you. I have this card from my nail artist, one of my nail artists, Weenie. These are just like business cards I got. This one was sitting in the apartment. I have no idea what could be in it because legit I'm telling you, like I just picked it up yesterday. Are you kidding me? This is not I promise you this is not a forced promo right now. Like I didn't even mean to do this, but my mini slimes. I know why it's in here because because yesterday we went to the Cross City offices, and then when we came back, I went to get my bag.
And we had to get a new fresh kit because you had played with the one previous.
Yeah, so I have a mini slimes, a deluxe mini slimes box in my bag. Get those at Target now. And then I have a bunch of mail that I got at the old place. Another like visitor pass thingy, like when you go like for press or anything, we always get these badges that just have our name and stuff. More mail, more mints. She has mints in every
That's
bag.
something-
like the essentials that I carry in my bag like always is mints.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so
Always.
smart.
But yeah, that's all I got, guys.
And
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. All 700 of my Instagram followers know me pretty well, so I feel like we're gonna be okay. Okay. This is, I just got a new bag. This is a bag from Target. More commonly known as Target.
Alex has never like had a full interaction with you guys on camera before, right? Like,
You know my voice,
Yeah.
but you don't know my face yet. Keyword yet.
Guys, this is Alex.
Hi. So I have two pairs of sunglasses because one I left here yesterday and the other one I had to dig in my car to find. I have my wallet in addition to the regular like license and credit cards. I do have a business card, KTP, which is kind of cool. I have, oh yeah, so this was a 99-cent mini wallet. I think it's something, it's like a, it's not called a wallet, it's called something else. I have my keys, store brand, CVS, Excedrin. I have some Tarte cover-up that Peter gave me.
So we just ate and now I'm just being lazy and I'm playing with my secret slimes. These are the secret slimes and it comes with a surprise mystery inside. So this is one of them. It smells so good. So this one right here, an orange slime that actually has instant snow. I love this texture so much. This specific slime, I'm like obsessed with. This one is my favorite out of all of these, which by the way, it will not say what slime it is because it's a mystery. It's a secret slime. This one right here, I am obsessed with. This is what you see on shelf. So that is the secret slimes that are now available at Target. And I think we're actually gonna go on a little adventure. We came for this and we're leaving with this. Alright guys, it has been a long day. I am looking so oily already. It's time to go to bed really soon, but that's basically it for today. I'm gonna take my makeup off. I'm gonna go sleep really soon, probably watch a movie, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.